Considering VideoExpress AI? Here's what you need to know before you buy. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Genius Deal Channel. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and say hi in the comments below. Hi, and let me know your favorite AI program. So what's the deal with VideoExpress? VideoExpress AI is a great tool for AI-driven creation, but only if you purchase the premium version. The basic version, it's honestly a waste of money, and I'm going to tell you why. And while some people absolutely love the lifetime use premium version, others absolutely hate it. And I'm going to share with you their reasons. So, is VideoExpress AI worth it for you? Let's find out. So, let's be real. If you go for the cheaper version, here's what you're actually getting. You're getting severely limited features. You'll be stuck with limited 3-second videos. Only 3 seconds. What can you even do with that? So, you'll be missing key tools. The AI-driven features like in painting, object removal, advanced video editing tools are all locked away. So, you're also going to get confusing restrictions. If you want to create content in a variety of AI models, you're not going to be able to. The basic version just won't let you. You'll get unreliable performance. Users report that the basic version is slow, glitchy, and frustrating to use. You won't get the full experience, and the AI-generated results might not be what you expect. And the worst part, if you decide later that you want to buy the full version, you're going to have to pay more to upgrade. So, why not just do it right the first time? So, let's talk about why the premium version is the only one that actually makes sense to purchase. So, you'll get the full-length videos, no annoying 3-second limits. You'll get unlimited video creation, so you can bring your ideas to life. You'll get the complete AI tool set. You can unlock all the advanced features, including high-quality AI face swaps, talking photos, and powerful in painting for seamless edits. You'll get the professional editing tools, a full timeline editor, text animations, and special effects that let you make high-quality polished content. It is also one-time payment for lifetime access. There's no monthly fee. So, you pay for it once, and then you own it forever as the software continues to improve. So, you also get better AI performance. The premium version works faster, is more stable, and lets you use all available templates and creative options without any restrictions. Also, talking photos and AI face swap. You can make characters talk and even swap faces with realistic AI-generated animations. But let me be 100% real with you. This software is not for everyone. Some people love it, and others really hate it. AI tools like this are constantly evolving. And while VideoExpress AI has some really cool features, it's not perfect. No software is. Some people hate it because the software can glitch. Another reason people hate it is because it doesn't meet their quality expectations. And sometimes, yes, the animations look funny and low quality. But VideoExpress AI is a pay once and use forever. So if you do decide to buy it, you'll have access to the software forever as it continually improves. Now, I'm not telling you to buy it. I just want you to know exactly what you're going to get before you make any decisions. VideoExpress AI also has a money-back guarantee. So if you do decide to try it and it doesn't work, you're not stuck with it. You can check out their refund policy and decide for yourself. So, love it or hate it. AI technology is still growing and learning. Whether you choose VideoExpress AI or another tool, I hope you find what you need to be successful in your online business.